A robot read your resume in 6 seconds and rejected it. No human ever saw it and nobody told you. And it's going to happen again on your next application unless you fix the 3 things I'm about to show you. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what the hiring software is looking for, the 3 sections most resumes are completely missing, and how to add all 3 in about 20 minutes using AI. Now, here's what changed while nobody was watching. Over 90% of large companies now run every resume through screening software before a human being ever reads a word. And it's called ATS, an applicant tracking system. And it scans your resume, scores it against a job posting, and ranks you. Score low, and your resume goes into a black hole. You hear silence, and you think something is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. You were filtered by software, and the software was never told that you are talented. Now, it was told to match keywords, sections, and formats. And here's the brutal second gate. Even when you beat the robot, the human recruiter spends about 6 seconds on your resume. 6 seconds. So your resume has to win twice. Once with a machine reading everything, and once with a human reading almost nothing. Missing section number 1, the professional headline. Directly under your name, one line that matches the job title you actually want. And if you're going for a financial analyst role, for example, that line says financial analyst plus 2 or 3 specialties separated by vertical bars. Why does one line matter so much? Because the software matches titles and recruiters' search titles. And no headline means no match, and no match means no interview. And most resumes go straight from the name to the work history, and they lose points before the first bullet. Missing section number 2, the summary. 3 or 4 sentences under your headline, and this is where the keywords live. Open the job posting you want. Look at the exact words they use, the skills, the tools, the responsibilities. Your summary needs those exact words woven around your years of experience and your single biggest quantified accomplishment. Not buzzwords, not passionate self-starter. The formula is this: who you are professionally, how many years, your biggest win with a number attached, and the posting's own language. And the robot scores the match. The human, in those 6 seconds, reads exactly one thing carefully, and it is this paragraph. Missing section number 3, the core skills. A dedicated section with 12 to 20 skills, the same words recruiters type into their search tools. Hard skills, tools, methodologies. For example, financial modeling, Excel, SQL, forecasting, budgeting, etc. Not hard worker, not team player, because nobody searches for that stuff. And this section is pure fuel for the matching algorithm. And it's the difference between appearing in a recruiter search results and simply not existing. Now, you could build all 3 by hand, and it would take you about a day. Or you can have AI do it in about 20 minutes. And here's the method. Attach your resume to ChatGPT or Claude, tell it the exact title you want, job title you want, paste in the job posting, and ask it to rebuild the 3 sections using only your real experience. No invented facts, no made up numbers, using the posting's own keywords. Then, and this matters, check every single word before you use it because it is your name at the top. And if you want to see the entire thing done live, not just these 3 sections, but a complete resume rebuild, here's what I'm doing. On Tuesday, August 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific time, I'm teaching a completely free 45-minute live class called Use AI to Beat the Resume Robots. And I'll put a real resume on screen and rebuild it with AI in front of you from start to finish into the exact format that beats these systems. And everybody who attends gets my exact rebuild prompt for free. And you can use this to run on your own resume the same day. Plus, the 4 bullet formats recruiters actually read. And the 5 mistakes that get resumes auto-rejected, and a live LinkedIn headline rebuild, because the best jobs come from recruiters finding you. Now, the link to register is in the description and the pinned comment as well, and it costs nothing. Register even if you can't make it live. Fix these 3 sections this week, and your resume starts speaking the robot's language. So come Tuesday, August 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and we will fix everything else. Now, if this helped, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I'm posting a lot more on AI in your career. See you at the class.